To do justice to this piece of automotive history, we're sending it to Rob Carter and Brian Gould.
We're on it. That's it? Yeah.
They've restored more than 70 classic motorbikes between them,
Buy out the light.
including some absolute crackers for us. Our C70 is in safe hands. With the Honda, it's a fine balance. We don't want to do too much to the bike, but then again, Rob and Brian are perfectionists.
That's clean in there. Yeah. It's not seized up or anything, Bri. It's all like moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, the leading links and all that are all working.
That's how the suspension works at the front on these.
Yeah. Depending on getting it running and trying its gears and stuff, but mechanically it looks good. Structurally it looks good. Yeah. I mean, we're going to do it properly. It will be all fully painted. If the rims need doing, we'll get the rims done. If not, the spokes will definitely be done. We'll have a proper recovering on the seat in correct colours and everything. There's a few splits in the leg shields. We're going to try and get some more leg shields for it.
It wants a whole load of cleaning up, but that little C70 is a peach.
There's all sorts of websites for guys with stuff like this now, isn't there?
Yes, it's a big thing.
So this is quite cool.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, absolutely it is, yeah.
Yeah.
In like small bike world, especially with it being a 70, because there was just that little bit more power than a 50, this would be like desirable. Yeah, it would.
We've bought something that's cool.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely, you have.
Rob and Brian are about to dismantle our equally low-mile Honda. One thing in particular is spoiling the aesthetics.
The horrible box and stuff will come off.
That's an added extra, which is not cool.
We're going to make it look like it would have done the day you took it out in 71 or whatever year it is. We're not going to make it look like you messed about with it at home.
Before that, though, a quick check that we've actually got a working 4-stroke engine.
Battery's completely flat that's on, there's nothing. We'll just get another battery now, make sure she's got some fuel and just see if it starts.
It's not a very big battery.
No, but that's actually bigger than the one it needs. 6-volt battery, which is what the bike runs on. That'll do for test purposes.
I didn't realise this was scrap.
What's wrong with it?
It's all split and buckled that we can't.
Oh dear.
No, it's just right through, look. Yeah, we need another one of them. See if you can use your internet skills. See if we can get on an earth somewhere. Is that earth? There we go then, mate.
The new battery will jump-start it through the old one. Hopefully.
It's brought the neutral light on. Now that shows that the electric is working.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? There we go.
That's gone.
It wasn't a first-time start, but for a 50-year-old bike, not bad at all.
That's first.
So this should be second,
Yeah.
and that should be third.
Yeah, it is.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah. There's no oil smoke. It's running nice and clean to be right.
Very good.
Yeah, it's not wrong with that.
A reminder of why Japanese engineering couldn't be ignored in the 1960s.
Nobody had seen a small bike that was as reliable as these were. I mean, most of our small stuff was 2 strokes. You had to mix your oil up with your petrol, there was plumes of blue smoke and all this. When these came out, they were just so far advanced compared to what we were making. Everybody who wanted to ride to work bought these. They were more like a 2-wheel car, really.
A bit later,
I'm on it.
deconstruction commences.
I'll take fuel tank off and sort of work our way down, eh? There your ash is off. There you go, mate.
And we're not putting that back on?
No. That's it. It's tank off.
It doesn't take long.
Winkers. It's easily take-apartable.
So we pass the time with something very rare, a delivery bike joke.
What's the opposite of a drunken noodle?
Oh, go on then. This sounds terrible. Go on, John.
A sober noodle.
It's going well, isn't it? Yep, there we are. Leg shields off.
That will be replaced.
The beauty of it is 3 spanner sizes. Does the whole bike. Quick to put together. Quick to take apart. Superbly designed. God, we're flying here, Brian, aren't we, eh?
Oh, it's doing well.
Yeah, it is. No dramas, nothing broken. It's a pleasure to do.
After this, a few weeks go by to give Brian, who is head of the internets, time to order some parts.
I believe I found a front mud guard and the side panels and something else.
Rear shockers.
Rear shockers.
Already arrived in the post, a pair of new steel wheels.
In there's new brake shoes, everything will be new, you're not starting with second-hand bearings. It was cheaper to buy these than it was to cut the spokes off the other lot, paint all the hubs and everything, buy a kit of spokes and then pay to get them spoked up.
And these are the front leg shields.
They're really nice. They're repro, but they're good. Some of the cheaper ones, the plastic's like matte, whereas these have got like a fairly good gloss finish.
Rob's been busy too in his outdoor paint shop. The metalwork has now been rubbed down and primed.
It's amazing how long it takes. We've been hours and hours like wet flatting it. Where it was rough, we started off with 320 grade, and then we've wet flatted the lot with like 1200 and soap. And there's about 5 coats of primer on here. I'm going to go for like 3 coats in blue. If it looks good after 3 coats, we're all right. If not, we'll go for another one. We're painting it with cellulose in the traditional manner. There's no welding, there's no fiberglass, there's no filler. Everything is absolute straight sheet metal. So when we get it painted, it should last for like years. It should look nice and bright, it should look good.
Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning. I mean, the boys have made a lovely job. They always make a lovely job. But they've pushed the boat out on this one, so to speak, haven't they? It's really nice. Exhaust, new rims, new tyres, new seat. It's gorgeous. It's like it left the factory, isn't it, really? I mean, to be perfectly frank, it probably wasn't any better when it left the factory.
So we've done all right.
Yeah.